welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the steps required to generate the authentication token so that you may continue with the onboarding wizard to connect Vault with Claire. First step you need to do is go across to your Vault portal, scroll down to Office Integrations, and click on Third-Party Access. Come across to the bottom right-hand side and click on Add Token. From the drop-down list for third parties, click on Property Realm. Please ensure that all of these scopes have been ticked, because we need each of these for Claire's services to operate successfully. Click on Create Token, and there you are. You can see the new token at the top of the list. Click on the small clipboard icon, and that copies the token for you. Come back to the Claire's onboarding wizard and paste in the authentication token. That is the process complete. To carry on with onboarding, you would continue with your card number at this stage and then click Save and Next. When you revisit this page, you may see the word bearer at the beginning of your token, but that just means that the two entities have integrated. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.